Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're putting two 2025 flagships head-to-head, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. Which one's worth your money, especially if you're in the US? Let's find out. The Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps that iconic Note-style look. Big 6.9-inch AMOLED display, slim bezels, and premium build. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra goes for elegance with a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED panel and slightly lighter body. Both are gorgeous, but Samsung's display tech and durability make it a safer pick for everyday US users. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, lightning fast, efficient, and built for gaming. Huawei's Pura 80 Ultra runs the Kirin 9020 chip. Solid performance, but it runs on a Harmony OS, not Android. The S26 Ultra packs a 200-megapixel main sensor, dual telephoto lenses, and killer 8K video. Huawei's Pura 80 Ultra fires back with a massive 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor and impressive zoom range. Huawei's hardware is top tier, but Samsung delivers better consistency, video performance, and app integration in the US. Battery life? Samsung offers a solid 5,000 milliamps with around 45-watt charging. Huawei goes bigger, up to 5,700 milliamps with insane 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless speeds. If speed is all you care about, Huawei wins, but Samsung's reliability and charging safety edge it for most users. If you're in the US and want full support, ecosystem integration, and long-term updates, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is the smarter choice. If you love cutting-edge camera tech and don't mind working around app limits, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is a beast. Which one would you choose? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech battles. See you in the next one.